This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Dolly. Amherst at Heritage Ridge. You'll find this 2-bedroom, possible 3 bedrooms, 2-bathroom home with a 2-car garage. Open floor plan. Kitchen has granite and solid wood cabinets with pull-out drawers and a breakfast bar. Overlooking the golf course and canal. It's light and bright with skylights and has cathedral ceilings. Split bedroom plan. Large primary bedroom with bathroom and walk-in closets and a lovely view. Roof is less than 2 years old. Enjoy the Tom Fazio designed golf course or the community pool, tennis/pickleball courts, spa, golf course, driving range. Located close to Hobe Sound Beach, Route 195, Jupiter, Stuart, and restaurants. One small pet is welcomed. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Dolly at 772-219-1111.